Chevrolet Uplander 2005 to 2009 3.5 engine. The ABS control module is located on the right side under the hood. To replace it, disconnect the harness connector, unscrew the hoses, unscrew one mounting bolt, push the module up to take it out, and replace it with a new one.